Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today we have a GLC luxury line. I'm going to show you how to get rid of this big, oversized, ugly box and shrink it down to something like this. Let's get into it. Okay, so the problem is this: when you buy almost any Mercedes, it comes with a big European sized box. Now that's way too big of Australian plates, especially when you're running slimline. So what we've done is we've redesigned this and shrunk it down to that, which is compatible with our bracket system. So what you're gonna do first is take off all the screws that you see, and I'll show you how to put this on. So now that I have the factory box off the car, it's time to fit this. Now this is really easy to do. Now you turn it around, you notice there's like a bit of a knob that fits into the factory hole. That's gonna help you locate and find center. We've also designed a little shelf almost that matches the little shelf on the car. So all you gotta do is locate the hole, rest it on, it will self-center, mark it with a texter, drill a little pilot hole with a small drill bit, which I have here, and I put the screws in. Now that we have the plinth on, which is a little bit smaller than what it was in the car, it's time to pair it up with a number plate bracket. What that means is, since this is a two-part mounting solution, the next one is to grab a bracket to suit your number plate style. For example, if you've got, say, Euro plates, grab yourself a Euro bracket. We're going to be installing slimline plates, so we've got a slimline bracket here. We're going to attach it to the mounting points here, using any of the slots on the bracket, and then your plates can go on. Now that we've got the plates on, you might be wondering, but what about the hole that's left behind? Well, thought of that. The kit comes with a little plug, which you can fill in the hole with a plug and a screw provided, so it doesn't look too out of place. And there you have it. We've got rid of the big, ugly factory mounting box and replaced it with something a little bit smaller and a lot tidier. Now just remember, this is a luxury line. There is an AMG line and various models, so make sure you choose the correct miniature plinth to suit the car and a bracket that suits your number plate style. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.